All right, so my tinkering project of the day is this thing. My water from the municipality here, so the city water, is super hard. So I installed a water softener. So this pipe here that you see used to just go straight right and connect to all the plumbing in my house, and I installed this thing. This is not for showing off purpose. It's just to explain why I chose this option instead of other water softening system. Keep in mind that I haven't run it for a long time. Actually, I haven't tried really the results yet because it's currently cycling its first clean cycle. So why I wanted to talk to you about this is not because you can criticize my super disgusting plumbing job that I'd like to say is not leaking, which is the most important thing, and is not putting stress on everything, which is also important. Um, so yeah, I chose this option because I did quotes for water softening system, and quotes in my area were around $10,000 to $12,000. Oh, there we go. Cycling right now. All right, so the purge is complete. So now I should be getting soft water. And yeah, so I chose this option because the quotes were around $10,000 to $12,000. Keep in mind this is Canadian dollars, and people are selling systems that are reverse osmosis system and everything. This is a salt system that I got at a hardware store. I think it was it was Home Depot for this one. This is a Ream water softener. I'm not sponsored or anything. I just chose this option because other systems that were professionally installed, you couldn't get any parts. You had to always go to through resupplier and installer. You could not service it yourself. You can't get parts or anything. And to me, it was very important to be able to get my own parts. This allows me to repair the system, understand how it works, and everything. So that's what I did. Uh, Salt system, because I insisted for my quotes for how much it would cost for a salt system, it was around $7,000 instead. So this was super expensive. So I got this model, which is for a large house. I currently have 3 bedrooms in the house. I took a oversized system that's made for 5 to 6 bedroom, and all in all, with all taxes, all the fitting and everything, I already had the tools to do some PEX crimping and all, which probably could you in Canada you could probably get like all the PEX tools for around $60 or so if you shop around quite a bit. All the fittings and everything, I got maybe $200 there. So the system itself with taxes is 1,000. So around $1,200 for the whole system. And I chose the salt one because and it wasn't really recommended by the professional installer. They say, "Oh, you won't like it adding salt to it." Uh, and it's not convenient and blah blah blah. And actually, from what I've gathered online, you need to add salt to it about every 6 months. It's not super expensive. You can get salt anywhere. And other than that, it's pretty much maintenance free. It's auto maintenance. There's like a cleaning agent that you can put in the system 3 times a year, and it will prolong your warranty up to 10 years with this system, even if you do a DIY install, which is super nice. Um, so yeah, I can't wait to see the results. And I installed this system because my coffee machine got broken because of the hardness of the water. My dishwasher pump is starting to get worn out after like 3 years only, and that's an expensive repair. And then I can't imagine what's happening inside my water heater, which I'll be investigating eventually in preventive maintenance. So yeah, and I heard that there's also benefits for brushing your teeth and such, where you get less plaque accumulation if you have soft water, and stuff cleans better and all that. So I'm gonna tell you the results when I have them. So yeah, that's it.